Trying to change rear brake pads on your GM vehicle, then stop immediately. Because if you force the caliper back without putting the electronic parking brake into service mode, you can destroy the PB motor in seconds. Most people think you need an expensive skin tool, but today I'll show you how to do it manually. Welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you exactly how to activate GM electronic parking brake service mode without using a scanner. This works on many Chevrolet, GMC Buick, and Cadillac vehicles. Electronic parking brakes use electric motors attached to the rear calipers. When the brake is applied, the motor pushes the piston outward. If you try forcing that piston back manually without retracting the motor first, you can strip internal gears or burn out the actuator. Before starting, make sure the vehicle is parked safely on a flat surface. Keep the battery charged because low voltage can interrupt the process. And make sure the parking brake is fully released before entering service mode. Now let's activate service mode. First, press the start button without pressing the brake pedal so the ignition turns on, but the engine stays off. Next, press and hold the brake pedal. Then push down and hold the electronic parking brake switch while holding both. Turn the ignition off, then back on. Keep holding everything for about 5 to 10 seconds. You should hear the rear brake motors retract. On many GM vehicles, you'll see a message saying, Service mode enabled or brake maintenance mode. That means the electronic parking brake is now fully retracted and safe to service. Now you can safely remove the rear calipers and compress the pistons normally. This is the correct time to replace brake pads, rotors, or service the rear brakes. Never skip service mode when working on electronic parking brakes. Once the brake job is complete, it's time to exit service mode. Press and hold the brake pedal again. Now pull up and hold the parking brake switch. Turn the ignition off and back on while holding the switch. After several seconds, you should hear the motors extend again. Before driving the vehicle, always test the parking brake several times. Apply it, release it, listen for normal motor operation, and make sure there are no warning lights remaining on the dashboard. And that's how to put a GM electronic parking brake into service mode without using a scanner. If this video helped you save time or money, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the channel for more electronic parking brake tutorials and DIY repair guides.